I keep touching these damn plants. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to She's So Cheeky. I am Chelsea and I'll be your host today. Today we're doing our everyday makeup look using drugstore products. My everyday makeup look is kind of extra if you see. I put a little green under my eyes, but it's a little just something extra. If y'all like this look and y'all want to see how I achieved it, please keep on watching this video so y'all can look like me. Ooh.
History in the making, part 2. So crazy right now.
I look this so deep in your eyes.
Alright y'all, so I did my eyebrows off camera, so we're just gonna start off with SPF. I'm just gonna rub that on my face. This is gonna help my dark marks underneath my skin. Then you're going to go in with some moisturizer. I use the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. You're gonna put that all over your face. Gotta make sure your skin is moisturized. Next we have this NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Camel. This is what it look like. Then I'm gonna just take my brush and just apply it to my face like this. This Real Techniques brush. It's like a foundation viper. Then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender, this Real Techniques as well. And I'm gonna just make sure everything is blended into the skin. Oof. I don't know how I feel about this foundation, y'all. Oh goodness, it just looks so grainy, like I don't know. Next, I'm going to take my concealer. This is the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Medium Beige. This is the product. Then, I'm just going to apply it. So now I'm going to take the contour, it's a LA Pro Girl Concealer as well. And this is in the color Toast. And I'm just going to apply a little bit right here. Then I blend in my contour right away just because I don't want that part to get dry because this part of my face is like the driest part. Now I'm gonna blend in my concealer. Next I'm gonna go in with this HD Flawless setting powder. And I'm gonna take just a little triangle sponge, and I'm gonna dust that off a little bit. I'm gonna just apply it and set my concealer. And I also conceal underneath my contour just to make my contour look a little bit sharper. I don't put any product right here other than my foundation too, so. Alright, so next I'm going in with the Duo Contour. I got this from Beauty Supply Store too. It's by Knick Knack New York. Where's my brush? So then I take this e.l.f. brush and I put it in both colors and dust it off. And I'll just lightly feather that on my contour to set my contour. I just like to make sure it's a little bit darker in this area. If you guys want a detailed video on how I contour my nose, please just drop like a comment down below and we can get that done for y'all, okay? So now I'm gonna take off my setting powder. I don't like to keep that on for long because I feel like it gives me a little, it give me like flashbacks sometimes, you know. So I'm taking this brush that I got in this kit that my friend gave me. Don't know the brand. So Next, I'm gonna take that same contouring palette, and I'm also gonna take this. I'm gonna take this blending brush, and I'm gonna dab it into both again, but mostly in the lighter color. Dust that off, and then I'm gonna just put this in here. And then I'm gonna take this black blending brush, and I'm also gonna take this Essential palette. Shout out to my friend who gave me this. This is the palette and what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go in with this color right here. Put a little bit of that on there. It's called Terracotta. And I'm just gonna put this. What's this part of my eyebrow called? I'm gonna put this in the crease of my eyebrow. And I'm gonna take that first blending brush and just blend everything out. And I'm gonna take this slightly angled brush, and we're gonna go in with the color Sand. And I'm gonna just put that on my eyelid. It's just a little 1-2 eyeshadow. We gotta do too much, you know, it's just a little everyday look. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild felt tip eyeliner. And we about to line these eyes, okay? Now I'm gonna go in with my Great Lash by Maybelline, New York. And I'm gonna prep my eyelashes. So you wanna make sure you get your bottom lashes so your eyes can pop. And you want to make sure to get this inner corner, because those little hairs be like gonna be invisible. Also, I forgot to say that I normally take this angle brush, this green emerald, it's called emerald, and I like to put it on the bottom of my lashes. I just think it make it a little bit more fun, you know. It's like, damn, girl, look at your eyes. Them is great. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. So next I'm gonna go in with another coat of mascara, cause no worries if you ever mess up like I just did. You can just use a beauty blender and kind of wipe it away. I probably messed it up, I'm not even gonna lie. This just blew me. Alright, so I'm about to go on ahead and put my lashes on off camera, and I will be right back. Alright, so I went on ahead and applied my lashes. Look at them. These are my favorite lashes, y'all. The lashes that I used today are the Mist lashes. If y'all have any other recommendations on different lashes that I could use, please drop a comment down below so, girl, I can try them. Because I've been wearing these for like years. Also, I use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe and clear. So that's what that look like. And that's what I used to apply my stuff. So I'll give y'all a video maybe later on how I apply my lashes if y'all really want to know. Or if y'all don't care, like, then so be it. So next, I'm gonna go in with the Black Opal finishing powder. This is what this looks like. So I'm gonna take that same contouring brush, that e.l.f. brush, and I'm gonna just lightly go over my face with this. Just because I want to bring some color back into my face. Next, I'm gonna take my NYX Born to Glow illuminating powder. I swear by this, y'all. Like, I love this stuff so much. This is what it look like. Born to Glow, NYX. And I'm also gonna take this fan brush and brush it in my little highlight area. Love this. I'm gonna take this packing brush and I just like to put it in my tear ducts. Yes. And then I'm gonna blend it in with that same brush. Next, we're going in with the NYX Matte Finishing Mini Matte Spray. Actually, I'm gonna do my lips. So for lips, I'm going in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Abu Dhabi. This is my favorite. It's my favorite. And apply that to the lips. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown like lip liner pencil. So I'm just going there and line my lips. Like I'm missing something for some reason. I'm gonna just go in with my little brush and make sure that my contour is still okay. Just some finishing touches. Okay, so I just want to show y'all my final look. Alright y'all, so this is my little everyday makeup routine using drugstore products. I hope that you guys like this video, and if y'all did try this look, please leave a comment down below and just let me know. And tag me into your Instagram so I can see it. Until next time, y'all. Like, I'll see y'all in my next video.